Welcome to Space Launch Complex 6 at California's Vandenberg Air Force Base. From this rugged coastline, ULA launches critical national security, science and exploration, and commercial missions to space. You're standing in front of the Delta IV rocket, which towers 22 stories above the launch pad. In preparation for liftoff, the 10 million-pound mobile service tower will roll back from the rocket to its park position about 300 feet to the east. Soon, the liquid oxygen and liquid hydrogen-fueled RS-68 main engine and two solid rocket motors will ignite and produce more than 1.5 million pounds of thrust, lifting the Delta IV NROL-45 mission off the pad and on its way to orbit. No human being has ever experienced a rocket launch from these vantage points. Let's listen in as we begin the final countdown.
Status check. Go Delta. Go L45. Rock report range status.
Range is green.
Flight lock is 23.
SRM TVC blowdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. +1. The ignition. Lift off. On the main engine. Chamber pressure rises on both solid rocket motors. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Status check. Go Delta. Go L45. Rock report range status.
Range is green.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Delta IV rocket carrying the NROL-45 mission for the National Reconnaissance Office.
Good chamber pressure in the main engine. Good chamber pressure on both solid rocket motors. 17 seconds into the flight. Good engine control on the first stage. Coming up 30 seconds. Mark 30 seconds in. Altitude now 1.5 nautical miles. Velocity 1,396 feet per second. Downrange distance about 1/4 of a mile. Chamber pressure is beginning to drop now, and the solid rocket motors as expected. Coming up on 45 seconds. Still looking good. 49 seconds. Mach 1. Vehicle now going transonic.